Hello, this video is going to be about how you can connect Trello cards together from the boards and from the list as well. So for this, first I will show you how you can create a card in Trello. Here you will see that I have opened a board in front of me and I want to add a card in any of the lists. For example, if my first list is about to do, I want to add cards here. The first card is about first idea and the second card is about second idea and then add card, and the third card is about third idea. So you will see that I have added 3 cards here, and if I go to my second list, which is about doing, I will add a card which is about finalize first idea. And add card. So I have different cards in different lists here, and if I want to connect the cards with the list, I will go to any of the card in the first list and click on that. So here you will see that I have different options here now. So if I want to change the position of the card and I want to connect the card together in the list, I will go to this one. When you go to it, you will see you have different options here, and to connect the card with the list, you have to go to the move, and now you have to select the position where you want to connect your card with. For example, if you want to share your card with the second list, you have to go to the list and select the second list, which is about doing, and move. Now you will see that the card has been shared, or the card has been connected to the second list. So now if I want to share the second list, the first card of the second list, towards any board, I will follow the same steps. Go to the move and change the board from workflow to university work and move. Now you will see that the card has been moved. I will go to the second board to make sure that my card has been moved. Open it. So now you will see that the card which I moved has been moved to the another board. So that's how you can connect or share as many cards as you want to boards and lists as well. Thank you.